How to leave a review on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can leave a review on eBay, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to leave a review on eBay, all you have to do is just go to ebay.com and then you're gonna see this type of interface, where what you need to do is just make sure to click the my eBay option from the top right and then go to your purchase history. And you can only review a product after it has been verified that you've received the product and that you've purchased that. Only after you've purchased will you then be able to review the product. So when you come to the purchase history tab, you'll be able to see all the orders that you've made. Just select the product that you would like to leave a review for and then just give it a star rating, and then you can also write something about it. This way you'll be able to leave a review on eBay. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.